channel, and today we are going to be playing Pokemon Showdown with another guest again, Mark. Say hi, Mark.
Just like the shows that you show on TV.
The show,
It's all
right?
exactly like them.
Yeah. Okay, here's challenge to me, and guess again, guys. We're going to have the same team, and I know he's going to try obliterating me, but he'll fail on it. Oh, he's changed our Pokemon to Gardevoir now. From that Triceratops. Okay, we have to try guessing his first Pokemon. Oh, how original. You could have used Gallade.
I know, Gallade, right?
Yeah. Wait. Just give me a minute. Okay, yeah, this one. Thank you.
Why would I use Gallade, not Gardevoir? Give me one perfect reason, okay? You have
No, I don't. So play.
Garchomp.
Oh, that's why you took it. Because I have taken this because you have 25 dragons. So yeah. Okay, play. Mark, just keep on sleeping. No, guys, let him just keep on sleeping.
I mean, I'm shocked that did so much damage. I'm
Mark,
actually shocked.
you're actually. Oh, okay, Mark Punch
Yeah,
isn't
I'm
that
literally
much.
shocked.
I thought Mark Punch.
Because I'm not supposed to be effective against a grass type.
This is not a grass type.
See, I'm not supposed to be a grass type that I get so much damage.
Okay, wait. Mark Punch is a fighting type move. They don't do that much damage to Fairy.
Oh, you use fighting type, but Flabébé is a fire type.
Yeah, but I also used another move,
What?
which was Mark Punch, which is a fighting type move. So that's the thing now. So you're gonna switch your Greninja up with Blaziken, okay? Okay, let's do this. Holy! Okay. That's a bit interesting. Play. How did you play first? Oh. Okay, play.
It's time for the ball to appear.
What? What are you trying to do?
Trying to destroy you in one word. That's the answer.
Okay.
Arceus. 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 Arceus.
Not Arceus.
Siddharth,
Yeah.
the public word Arceus.
Well, I'm a leader, so I don't want Arceus.
I don't want Arceus. Yeah, you continue saying that. Hey, that was more like Draco Miss.
Now stop stealing my jokes. I have a good joke. Thank you. See, that's what you guys for making those stupid jokes. No, guys.
You're stupid.
Okay, sorry. Maybe I am stupid.
Maybe he is stupid.
Maybe this guy is just lying. To everyone that comes our way, I'm stand the style of you. It's not always black and white, but your heart of it, I cry every day.
Okay, so if whoever wants Siddharth to do a video where he sings all the Pokemon songs in 1 hour, put a comment. It'll be funny if you actually have to sing.
Yeah, I'm a good singer, okay?
You're a bad singer.
I'm better than you, actually.
Talk to my ears, Siddharth. You're a bad singer. Okay?
I'm a bad not singer. Okay, you're trying to now you're gonna take Xerneas.
Good. Brilliant Pokemon. Except for the part where it got paralyzed. Boom. So Siddharth got paralyzed. He can't put me to sleep now. Okay. Okay, I need to think this out very superb.
Okay, I think I'm also thinking it very super. Okay.
Okay. Superb choice.
Yes, it is.
I know why are you doing this? You're trying to poison me.
Okay.
Okay. Don't copy my dialogue. I'm going to beat you up.
I'm eating an apple right now.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. That was actually unfair. I was like so less on the health. I'm
No,
definitely going to lose.
that is not unfair, okay? How is that unfair?
Huh?
How is that unfair?
It's completely unfair.
How? I damaged you with my thingy, my Drapion. No, guys, roll the replay.
I'm still surviving.
Guys, roll the replay how my Drapion did damage and I just one-shotted him.
Drapion one-shotted which Pokemon? Can you please repeat it?
No, I mean my Drapion did one-shot but he did damage. Okay.
Yeah, he did damage. He didn't one-shot me. No new Pokemon.
Guys, if you like
can
Mark,
one-shot me.
please hit that like button. Let's see how many people like you. Okay, we're going for a random battle.
Yeah, because I like dominating Siddharth's random battle. And one more thing, Siddharth's computering is so bad, he's such a bad editor that my voice sounds different and actually good. Nobody knows how I sound. Okay, Siddharth, that's actually a good thing. I remember it. Thank you, Siddharth,
Well,
for such a bad software downloading.
shut up, okay.
I'm actually grateful for that software thing.
What do you mean?
Because the software thing, nobody can understand my voice.
Yeah. Even my voice sounds different.
Yeah, you sound like a kid. Because you are.
You have to.
Many people say my voice has changed now.
You know, when I'm looking at you talking to here right now, I really feel like your voice has changed.
Wait, did you take out my... Oh, okay, I didn't place it till now. Okay.
Oh, you have a jungle king, yeah, you jungle king, ah.
I forgot his name. Wait, be quiet. The Elder, something like that name was, no?
Something like that you see.
In Sun and Moon. Wait,
That's from Sun and Moon.
Gorgeous. Oh, it's a large. Siddharth, you knew that?
What?
The large Gorgeous. This is the last one. Largest.
Okay, you have.
Warhammer. Ta-na-na-na-na-na-ta-ta-ta. One more thing. Next episode, Siddharth will show you.
I'll show you guys what.
Siddharth, you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
So one more episode, one more thing. I'm giving a trailer for Siddharth's next episode. Next episode will show you how to watch some of the English Pokemon episodes. Very some, because they have to still dub it, and it takes a lot of time.
This guy just wants to be allowed.
Point.
Okay,
My
you have time to reconnect. Great job.
Yeah, I'm reconnecting. It takes time, you know.
Okay, guys, till the time he's reconnecting, please like and subscribe to this video if you want to see more. Because if this video goes, I feel like this will be the last battle. Then the video will end. Now we do more random battles and has 300.
One more thing, everyone just share this video. Siddharth needs more people to watch it. Please share it. Please give him a shout out also. He'll give you $10,000 if you do it.
No, Mark. No,
You're saying no not to share the video?
No, not for that. I mean, no 10,000 shout outs. Seriously.
So that your turn is you only have 207.
I already played. You have to reconnect.
I reconnected and played also.
Wait, what? Wait, why can't I not cancel? Why can't I do anything? Wait, what? My screen is frozen. Guys, my screen is
Good.
frozen.
Everyone's just gonna lose because of frozenness. Now you only have 240 seconds left.
Shit. Okay,
This
guys.
is not like duped.
Wait, I have a smart idea.
But
Okay, yeah,
this
it
thing
works.
is also a
Yes.
good thing. We're trying to give people more subscribers. So
You're such a sellout.
if you know what we like watching,
And
we'll
guys,
make another video of that.
Guys, I have a good challenge. If you want me and Mark to make a together YouTube channel, you can please like and subscribe.
Oh my god, I have to reconnect again.
Yup.
Like I reconnected, you are reconnecting. Now again I'm reconnecting.
Okay. Guys, if you want me and Mark to make it together,
And one more thing, Siddharth has purchased Minecraft.
I will purchase it.
I purchased, I don't know about you.
You purchased it?
Yeah, what do you expect me to do? To purchase it?
Okay, we reconnected. Okay, play.
Yeah, I know I'm reconnecting. I'm smart. Wait, that mouse is smart. Wait, I need use of the mouse, okay. Yes, use of my Pokemon. I collect so legendary Pokemons. My god.
Where the hell was I? Wait, I forgot about legendaries. Okay, I have no legendary Pokemon.
Even I don't, but I have like,
Okay.
Guys,
Guys, if you want me to use a sneaky shadow on this dude, please hit the like button. Okay, maybe I'll not be using a sneaky
one
shadow.
shot it.
Let's have an EV versus EV battle.
Oh, I'm definitely gonna win. I'm definitely gonna win. If I don't win now, I'm gonna change my name. No, I won't change my name. It's too risky. Okay, if I win,
Yeah.
I will reveal Siddharth's name. If I win, I will reveal Siddharth's name.
Okay.
His full name, except for his middle name. His last name I'll reveal.
Okay.
If I don't win, then nothing happens.
No, that's cheating.
Everything is fair. It's all on you, Siddharth. If you want your name not to get revealed,
I don't want
this
to.
is for this round. Next round is proper. Okay, fine.
There's no revealing
Siddharth?
name.
Okay, fine. If you win, then I'll reveal my full name. If I win, you have to reveal your full name.
Okay.
On voice, huh? No
Okay.
cheating. You can't change Pokemon. That's cheating. Okay, then it's not cheating now.
You are such a sellout. When you had a Togekiss,
Yeah,
seriously?
so cool, no?
Oh,
Wow, that's a best move.
in the history of moves.
Yeah, in the history of moves. I want to reveal the full name. Or should I do it?
You have to
Okay,
play.
I'll do it. You're giving me this great opportunity to reveal your name. Okay, Siddharth's full name is Siddharth.
I'm not giving you, okay? This is for the whole game.
No, but whole game? Oh,
Yeah.
that way. Oh, I thought it's one round. Oh, I got confused.
Okay, play.
Oh my god, I got confused. So sad.
Ha, you missed your blast.
I've lost 3 Pokemon, you have lost 3 Pokemon.
And you have 2 legendaries.
I don't have 2 legendaries, you dumb person.
Then you have 1.
I don't have 1 legendary, you dumb person.
Even I don't have. And
I'm
I
not
bet.
lying, I actually don't have.
See, even I'm not lying. I actually don't have. Is
I've
Gen-
seen that I have like OP Pokemon. One was Togekiss.
Oh.
Exploding force, did you explode? No. Maybe this Pokemon can show you your place.
My place is in my country, which you guys should not know where our country is. I think so. Wait.
Yeah, I'm in America.
Mark, why do you reveal our country? Shut up.
Doesn't mean like if I'm in the country, then you have to also be.
Yeah. Okay. I clearly lost this round.
I'm going to reveal his full name. Wow. Such an honor.
Okay, maybe I'm not lost.
Look at my angry face. This is my legit angry face.
Okay,
We
maybe.
did how much damage I can make her.
Mark, why do you have you not Dynamaxed?
Oh, I forgot about Dynamaxing. Oh.
You forget everything. See, I won without even doing Dynamax. I'm the champion. You don't even know my last Pokemon. So guys, I'm
That
the
is my last name.
So
This
guys-
is my first name.
No, I'm
Sir,
revealing.
reveal my first name. First name. First name. First
No,
name.
I've
first
already
name.
revealed your first name. So your last name is Rebello.
That's my last name. That's my second last name, you dumb person.
Is it?
Yeah, I have 4 names.
Wait, what?
I have 2 middle names.
You have 2 middle names? So you mean like Dot Santos Dias, something like that?
Yeah, like Antonio, something like that.
Yeah. Okay. Guys, if you want me and my friend Mark to make a YouTube channel together, so yeah, you can.
I mean, this is my YouTube channel where you're recording on.
Wait, this is not. I made this channel, so it's mine. So we'll make a channel together if you guys want or not. Okay,
Why did you Dynamax?
because you're obviously
I
going to
hope you know-
lose. And
I
guys,
hope you know that Dynamaxing doesn't work on HP.
Okay.
It works on rounds.
yeah. And guys, this is the end of the video. We'll see. I
Hey,
am.
this is not the end. 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 This is not the end.
My video is already 16 minutes long. This is 17. So guys, this is the end of the video. See you all
No,
next
I
time.
won the video then.
You didn't win anything. So guys, this is the end
I
of the
really
video.
won.
Subscribe
I
and
won.
like.
I won.
And you will
Accept
subscribe
it.
and like.